Yesterday, Vusimuziket Matla described Jerry as a close friend, not a business partner. He admitted he knew Jerry dealt in drugs, but insisted he would never harm him. When Julius Malema asked him to say something to Jerry's mother, he said, "Mama, you know very well how close me and your son were. We did a lot of things together. We traveled together, me with my wife and his wife. Your son was like a younger brother to me. From the bottom of my heart, I have never and I will never do anything to harm your son or your family." On the day Jerry vanished in November 2024, he and his brother went to fetch chemical drums for alleged drug production. At that venue, Jerry got into a Mercedes-Benz with an unknown man, and that was the last confirmed sighting. His brother called Matala that same night, and he reported everything to the police. There were also some financial ties. Matala had previously loaned Jerry money, reportedly 1 million for cattle farming venture, with 100,000 to 110,000 still outstanding. He denied any involvement in his disappearance. Matala said a week or two later, AB's wife disappeared. Matala explained how he had used his security experience to trace kidnappers before, helping a Pakistani man retrieve his kidnapped employee. A week or two later, AB's wife disappeared. Matala explained how he had used his security experience to trace kidnappers before, helping a Pakistani man retrieve his kidnapped employee. Suspecting the same group, he called them to ask about AB's family. They hung up and vanished. He clarified any stories claiming he stayed help or demanded ransom are false. Julius Malema reminded Matala of the trauma to Jerry's wife and children. Every sunset they wait for their father and he doesn't come home, he said. Using this experience, he asked, "Do you think Jerry is still alive?" Matala reflected, at some point, a kidnapped person becomes a liability. Keeping him this long doesn't make sense financially. It's hard to accept, but realistically, they might not be keeping him alive. On allegations he demanded ransom from Jerry's father-in-law, he said, "I went to see him but not ask for ransom. I wanted us to go 50-50. I would give them 5 million if they raised 5 million. That is what Matala said. Julius Malema challenged him, speak to the kidnappers, appeal to their conscience. This is what Matala said. What we need now is closure. Whether they have him or not, they must release him. He's diabetic, and if they did something